Hey, what's up? I'm Freddie, and today I'm gonna be making peach cobbler. This recipe comes from my best friend Tori's mom, Cheryl Tucker, lovingly known as Mama T. Mama T would kill me if I used canned peaches, but peaches are not in season right now, and this is the only option. Usually, if I were to ask her to make peach cobbler not in season, she would refuse. So when I first asked, she was hesitant, and I was like, she actually really may not give me this recipe. And then, of course, a day later, she had it all written out for me and ready to go in the cutest way possible. I knew she was eventually gonna give me something, but I didn't think she was gonna give me the exact recipe. This is the first time I'm ever even really knowing all that goes into it because she kicks us out of the kitchen. So there's a core group of people that she makes it for, and we don't even have to ask for it. If she knows that we're gonna be home or in the area, she will make sure that peach cobbler is at her house waiting for us. It's great because usually when you think about peach cobbler, you think of dessert, but we'll just go over to her house just to eat peach cobbler. Like, there's no dinner. Sometimes there's dinner to proceed, but usually the peach cobbler is the main dish. The best part about making the recipe is seeing how simple it actually is, and that a majority of the ingredients that she puts in are just love, laughter, and just being an awesome mother figure. She has so much heart. She's so fun. She's like the most free-spirited woman I've ever met. I've always said, like, I hope that I'm the type of woman and mom that she is. So I don't go back home too often, and cooking this really brought me back to that place, and I felt a really strong connection to her and to home. It smells very sweet, it smells very peachy, and it just smells like home. Mama T, thank you so much for sharing your beloved recipe with me. I hope I made you proud. Much love in, much love out.
Oh, yes!